Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Dr. Zakir Naik, and I've arrived safely in Muscat in Oman to the early morning, the 22nd of March 2023. I would like to thank the government of the Sultanate of Oman for giving me a very warm welcome and an excellent protocol in this country when I arrived. I would like to invite all the Muslims and non-Muslims who are living in Oman for my two public talks, which are organized by the Islamic Ministry and Awqaf of Oman. The first public talk I'll be giving is on Thursday at 9 p.m. after Taraweeh at the Muscat Convention Center, and the topic will be Quran, the Global Necessity. And the second public talk I'll be giving on Saturday, the 25th of March at 9 p.m. after Taraweeh Salah, and the topic would be Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, the mercy to mankind. I would like all of you to be there. And one more good news, that inshallah, these two talks would be broadcast live on all my social media, that is the Facebook, the YouTube, the Instagram, as well as on the 4 channels of the Peace TV network. The Peace TV English, the Peace TV Urdu, the Peace TV Bangla, as well as the Peace TV Chinese. Inshallah, meet you during both these public talks.